Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about a local top may come in April. Let's dig in. Bloomberg mentioned Trump moves to impose reciprocal tariffs as soon as April. Well, it was supposed to take effect from now, but this has been delayed with the potential start date of April 1st. There will be a delay of several months with April 1st as a possible implementation date, though this remains tentative. The truth is, why could not Trump impose high tariffs rate on imports from other countries? Because of inflation. Still, they got high CPI and PPI figures. So, after inflation subsides, he can lower rates and print more money. Without it, he cannot do anything. Until then, Trump will try not to stimulate inflation. Before April, for the next several weeks, he must be in negotiation with other countries and tries to, get as many things as possible for the United States. It's like the period of weeps. And then Trump will give them a carrot. Carrot is weakened dollar, lowered rates. That's why we need to be patient. On the other hand, as long as CPI is high, the fear on inflation, fear on warfare, whatsoever fear exists, we still have a chance to accumulate as many blue chip coins as possible. That's what I think. Ethereum developers release client software for Pactra upgrade on testnets. Mainnet launch expected in April. There are some testnets called Holsky and Sepolia. These will take place on February 24th and on March 5th, respectively. However, the final version of the mainnet is going to take place in April. So, April looks not bad if you ask me. Judge agrees to pose legal dispute between Binance and SEC until April. Judge of the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia ordered the case to be stayed until mid-April. In 2023, SEC, as you know, sued Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, and so forth, and asked for a lawsuit post now. It sounds somewhat awkward, to be honest. For the SEC's new crypto task force till mid-April, it has been delayed. The lawsuit between Coinbase and US SEC, this is expected to be posed as well. I don't know the result. By February 14th, SEC has to decide whether to continue a lawsuit against Coinbase or not. And this decision is important and will impact on other cases like Ripple, Kraken, and others. Who knows? It is expected to be posted as well, but we might see a result in a day also. Bitcoin bull market is far from over, suggests historical Bitcoin trend tied to 200 week week moving average. So I think this is a relatively good indicator when it comes to evaluating, where we are in this Bitcoin cycle. If the past trends hold true, Bitcoin's current range between 90K and 110K will likely resolve bullishly, paving the way for the next upward movement. When you take a look at this, Bitcoin previous all-time high Bitcoin price, when it peaked, it touched the this blue line. Blue line represents Bitcoin's 200 week simple moving average. When it peaked, it touched its when it meets this blue line, it was the next cycle's Bitcoin top price. And if this continues, I think we might see another crypto rally sooner or later. Maybe we can see a local top in late March or mid April. Who knows? I don't know the exact timing, but what I know is after lawsuits against Coinbase, Kraken, Ripple, if those lawsuits are over, inflation subsides, fear for of the trade war, or whether that's inflation whatsoever, fear is gone. Those good old days will be gone. That's we should have bought Bitcoin at some price, things like that will be gone. So we must be ready to sell in several months. That's what I'm thinking right now. For sure, I cannot time the market, so we need to check out the objective indicators such as Coinbase App Rank Bot, Bitcoin Dominance, Tether Dominance, ISM Survey, or RSI. Those indicators, I will update you later on. With all those combined, I still think we can make a right decision. Whether to sell, whether to buy, but what I'm telling you here is we are far from, the peak season, whether that's Bitcoin or altcoin. What do you think? Thank you for listening.